If you've been holding off on buying a new TV until someone made a 165-inch folding micro-LED TV, you're in luck. I'm serious. While you probably have not been waiting for a folding TV, there's now one here, and it can be yours soon for the fun price of $200,000. Talk about a splurge. Let's back it up and show you what we're talking about. Luxury TV maker CSeed has announced that it's making something called the CSeed N1 TV, which does fold, yes, but it's also a real TV. I'll tell you word for word how CSeed describes it. The CSeed N1 features 4K micro-LED technology and HDR10+ support. Its special physical screen surface coating helps to produce truest blacks and amazingly vibrant colors with practically no glare. CSeed's patented adaptive gap calibration makes the borders between the screen panels disappear to provide a perfectly seamless visual experience. The N1 will be available in 3 huge sizes, 165, 137, and 103 inches. Actually, those are on par with what we've seen from other micro-LED TVs, specifically the ones that we've seen from Samsung. What makes this TV different from anything you've probably seen before is its ability to fold up into an elongated metallic box when it's not in use. It kind of reminds us of the LG OLED R or the rollable 65-inch OLED TV that also has an absurd cost, $100,000. But back to micro-LED TVs. Micro-LED, for those who missed its debut at CES a few years ago, trades the traditional LED lighting arrays of LED LCD TVs for an array of micrometer scale LEDs. These micro-LED clusters are built together into modules around 12 by 12 inches that can then be placed in whatever configuration the manufacturer wants. It's because of micro-LED's modular nature and the fact that it can be configured into all these different modules that the CSeed N1 TV can fold up on itself, breaking apart at the seams of 2 modules only to come back together the next time you want to turn the TV on. The whole point is that you're supposed to kind of experience this magic effect every time you want to watch TV and then stow it away when you're done watching so that it's not an eyesore. I mean, you could just get something like the Samsung Frame that turns the TV into an art display when you're not watching, but I guess if you're all about that super futuristic illusion, teched out house, you'd only want a folding TV. So what's the deal with CSeed? There's a good chance you probably haven't heard of them. I've been reviewing and reporting on TVs for a few years now, and when I saw the video they put up on the N1 TV, I had to do some research. Turns out it's an Austrian design firm that has a bit of a reputation for taking TVs to the next level with industrial design. In fact, it has another TV already, the M1 series, which was technically the first foldable micro-LED TV on the market. However, it required you to build the TV into the foundation of your house and came in at an even more ridiculous price of $400,000, or twice the cost of the new N1. Not to say the new N1 comes close to the realm of affordability at $200,000, but needing to be built into the foundation of your luxury mansion might tempt some mega billionaire or millionaire out there to buy 1 or 5. I mean, when you consider how large these micro-LEDs can get, you're looking at something that's a true movie theater replacing screen, not like the 65-inch rollable OLED TV. Who needs a large projector for images when a TV can fold up anyway? Look, jokes aside, this thing looks really cool. It's something I know I'd like to see in person just for the sheer amazement of design and panel technology. Micro-LED is still one of those displays that's beyond the general consumer market, but we've seen some advancements that could make it the mainstream choice in a couple of years, like Samsung launching one earlier this year that is 89 inches, or something that can fit in your living room, theoretically. I have to know, if price was out of the question, is this a TV you'd want to own? Would you be worried about durability or the points of failure that might present themselves just as this TV contorts in front of your eyes? I think I'd want to see more stress ratings, but overall, it's pretty fascinating to get a glimpse at. Be sure to tell us your thoughts. You can hit us up at Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok at Tom's Guide, or have a chat about it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.